In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord server link, invalid, or expired issue on Android in an easy method. Discord is a fantastic place where communities gather, gamers strategize, and groups stay connected. But what happens when you hit a snag like trying to join a server and being met with that frustrating invalid or expired link message? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple fix that will have you back in action in no time. So grab your Android device and let's dive in. First things first, you need to open Discord. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Navigate to Discord by tapping on its icon on your screen, securing your spot in this digital realm. Upon opening Discord, the login screen appears. Here you'll be required to enter your email. Type in the email associated with your Discord account cautiously. It's essential to ensure accuracy here to prevent any mishaps. Following that, it's time to enter your password. Input the password for your Discord account. Remember, patience and accuracy are key. Ensure each character is correctly entered. This step is crucial for protecting your account and ensuring that only you have access to it. Once you've confidently entered your credentials, go ahead and click on Login. This action prompts Discord to verify your information. Assuming all is in order, you'll be whisked away to the Discord home screen, where your adventures continue. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Discord home. Here you're presented with an overview of your servers, direct messages, and any ongoing activities. It's the beating heart of your Discord experience. Next, let's deal with the issue at hand. Click on your server, the very one you're having trouble sharing an invite for. Selecting it takes you into the server, revealing all its channels, members, and more. In your server, look for the Invite People option. It's usually found at the top of your channel list, symbolized by a person with a plus sign. Tapping this opens up the invite options for your server. It's the gateway for new members to join. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Edit Invite Link. This option allows you to customize the invite link settings, giving you control over its longevity and usage. It's a powerful tool for managing how and when people join your server. Now click on Generate a New Link. By doing this, you're creating a fresh invite link, free from any previous glitches or expiration issues. This brand new link is your solution to the invalid or expired link problem. Finally, copy the link. With your new shiny invite link in hand, or technically on your clipboard, you're ready to share it with the world, or at least with the people you want in your server. This link is your golden ticket, granting access to all it's shared with, ensuring everyone can join in on the fun without hitting those pesky roadblocks. There you have it, a simple yet effective method to fix the invalid or expired link issue on Discord for Android. With this tutorial, you can easily overcome this common hurdle, making sure your server remains as accessible and inviting as ever. Remember, Discord is about building communities and connections, so don't let a small glitch deter you. Share away and see your server thrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay connected and happy Discording.